everyone! It's Friday! And you know what that means? It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max. And yeah, medyo explicit itong background natin. So I put a little twerking eggy. So kinuha ko to sa ni Tecto sa X account niya para takpan natin yung yung rudeness. So yeah, today at Fridays with Viva Max, we are going to review Ligaw na Bulaklak. And yeah, it's pretty much a long movie para sa akin, but I think it takes the cake, you know? I think it's one of my favorite releases for this year, kung sa bagay. And this is something na pinagbibidahan ni na Chloe Jenna at ni Aaron Villaflor. Chloe Jenna, we last saw her last week sa Patikim-Tikim. Aaron Villaflor, we last saw him sa Secret Campus, di ba, kay Andy. Yes, Andy, di ba? Ayun. So yeah, without any further delay pa sa ating programa, sana po i-like niyo yung video na to, then subscribe, then hit that our bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa Fridays with Viva Max. Yours truly naman kasi, the God Gamer himself, Harriet. Ayun. So, schedule muna tayo. Sunday, since walang Viva Max release, magre-review tayo ng mas maaga. Death by Desire starring Dennis Esteban. So, ang tabayan nyo yan sa Sunday, may review. And then next Friday is BJJ, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Woman on Top. BJJ Woman on Top. So, it's an MMA-oriented Viva Max movie. Parang baliktaya. Pero dito, mga babae naman yung nag-MMA. Sa baliktaya, yung mga babae nag-MMA sa poster lang eh. Pero sa pelikula, hindi nag-MMA, di ba? Nagano lang. Sa locker room lang nag-eksena. Okay, punta tayo sa So, si Aaron Villaflor, his role here is Kevin, who is actually an actor. Artista tong si Kevin. And hindi na siya basta-basta na artista. He is a sexy artist sa isang streaming platform, which actually mirrors real life kasi di ba Viva Max streaming platform. So makikita natin dito is yung yung mga behind the scenes, yung breaking kayfabe sa nangyayari behind the scenes sa sa mga mature movies. Di ba? And pagdating doon is what happened is that after na eksena, tinatakpan ng tuwalya yung babae and like that, and they really prevent na yung lalaki ay ma-turn on para mag-give way sa pagtatalik kasi di ba eksena nila pagtatalik. And yeah, yung co-star dito ni Kevin ay si Sheila Snow. Sheila Snow. Okay, so yeah, we see some scenes here with Sheila Snow, and in real life, magkasintahan talaga sila. So, yun, Kevin has some issues with his family, pero yung eksena na yun, we can leave it sa we can leave it, set it aside. It doesn't really affect the plot. And ang dito is si Kevin medyo close sa pamilya or something. Wag na yun. So tayo sa importanteng bahagi. So one night, Kevin is doing a road trip. Nag-road trip si Kevin and nasiraan yung kotse niya. And nabagok siya sa bato. Note natin yung mga bato dito May maraming mga rock shots dito. So, nabagok siya sa bato, and then a wandering Jeric Raval saves him and takes him to a secluded barrio na yun. And Kevin meets Diane. Not Diane, Diane. So, si Diane, siya yung umalaga kay Kevin. Nurses him back to health. Habang natutulog si Kevin, there are some visions he is seeing, which is weirdly Diane for some reason. It turns out na si Diane, pini-pleasure niya yung sarili niya kay Kevin gabi-gabi. So, may mga old movie siya ni Kevin kasama si Sheila Snow. And from there, the viewer, malalaman natin saan patungo itong pelikula na to. So, nung una, resentful si Kevin, ayaw ng tsaa, gusto niya ng kape. Hinala ni Kevin, may nilalagay sa kanyang tsaa. Pero habang tumatagal, nagiging accustomed si Kevin sa pamumuhay nila sa baryo. And then, dito, after that, nagkaroon na ng samahan itong si Kevin sa Kasdian. May nakita silang couple na nagtatalik sa doon lang, malapit sa kinatutuluyan nila, and this turns on Kevin and Diane. Not to mention na namboso si Kevin at pinaglaro niya sarili niya habang naliligo si Diane. Dito nag-culminate lahat ito sa isang eksena. Nagkaroon sila ng pagtatalik and Diane actually enjoyed it. So after the pleasure comes the pain. So yung pain is, meron na mga backstory reveal dito. Ang gusto ni Diane, si Kevin, forever na magstay sa pamamahay nila. At tatay ni Diane si Jeric Raval dito, yung character niya. We see some flashback. Si Jeric Raval, yung younger self niya is played by Dominic Rocco, the younger brother of, or older brother ni Dominic, a father Felix Rocco, okay? And he saw his wife, Sherry, na nagkikipagtalik kay Van Allen Ong. Last seen in High on Sex Season 2. So, yeah, Van Allen Ong actually did something mature for once. And what happens here is yung pagdating dito sa point na to, medyo naging malaking pera na. Diane, Thais, Kevin, parang sa The Influencer. And that's something, forcefully stayed, and Diane forcefully injects herself to Kevin, intoxicates him. Also, Kevin discovers that Diane is medyo stalker. So, how to escape 101 sa isang stalker, inalok niya ng panandaliang aliw si stalker. Ang maganda dyan, parang nadala naman si Diane and fell into Kevin's trap. Kevin escapes and he used rocks to incapacitate Jeric Raval and Diane. We assume Jeric Raval's character died here kasi di natin siya nakita in the further scenes. And we have not really reached out to the family ni May mga scenes dito na kunwari naghahanapan, dumating yung mga polis sa baryo, hinahanap si Pero other than that, there's nothing more concerning naman. Parang libre lang si yung pamilya ni Chloe Jenna. Turns out na pinangako ng tatay ni Diane na magiging mabuti siyang ama, to the point na loss becomes a gift to his own daughter. And yung mismong bold star na gusto ng anak niya, siya yung mismong sumabotay sa kotse, siya yung mismo nag-incapacitate kay Kevin, and the likes. And yung mga visions na nakikita ni Kevin is Diane actually forcing herself to Kevin every night. And ang dito is lahat ng mga sex scenes dito are gratuitous. They're good. Medyo pinagpapawisan pa nga sila. At dito bumawi yung pelikula. Yung weak side ng pelikula is The weak side ng pelikula is the story, but the strong side dito is the mature scenes. And that, I think, is what I like. Yun yung gusto ko dito. And that's why it's like 4 stars here in the Viva Max website. The movie ends with Kevin under the supervision of Sheila Snow. Unfortunately, dahil nga stalker tong si Dian, natuntun niya. I assume she killed Sheila on the spot and incapacitates Kevin again and fade to black. And that's Ligaw na Bulaklak. Yung una kong tingin dito, akala ko Ligaw na Bulaklak si Chloe Jenna eh. Yung pala si Kevin yung Ligaw na Bulaklak. Yeah. So where do we go from here? Where do we go from here? So Viva Max. Tayo. Okay, Eggy, you've done your part. Ayan. So where do we give Viva Max movie? I am going to give Ligaw na Bulaklak a staggering, a malupit na smash rankings. Meaning, it has some good sex scenes, bro. Yeah. So kung gusto mo pa pagtripan mo sarili mo, yeah, this is the movie for you. Smash. And yes, that's my review and recap of Ligaw na Bulaklak, the latest movie by Viva Max. See you on Sunday for Death by Desire review. This is your boy Harriet, the God Gamer. Goodbye and good night. Bang!